Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fauzan Farishario Fadlur Rozak and I am from class 3C. And I'm from group 6 and I will present about digital literacy focus on application called ReadEra. Okay. Uh, Before we talk about ReadEra, let's begin with why reading skill in English are important. Because reading skill help us uh, expand our vocabulary, improve our comprehension, exchange critical thinking, and open the door to new knowledge. So reading is a very important skill for students and learners. Okay, the next. What is ReadEra? ReadEra is a free reading application for Android device. It supports many file formats such as PDF, EPUB, doc, and TXT, and it is a very easy to download from the Google Play Store. And yeah, and the next, tailor your reading skill. One great feature of feature of ReadEra is that it allows us to customize the way we read. And first is adjust font size and type. We can we can what change the size and style of the text to make it more comfortable to us. For example, when the text looks too small, I can increase the font so many eyes don't get tired. And second is change margins. Margins control the space around the text. For example, mm, I like to make the margins smaller so more text fits on the screens. Yeah, like that. Okay, and the third, customize background. We can choose white, cream, or dark backgrounds. For example, is when I read outside, I choose the green background because it is less bright. Okay, the next point is night mode. Night mode is helpful when reading in low light. Like example, if I read before sleeping, I always use night mode to protect my eyes. Okay, and the next, stay organized and find what you need. Read also, Readera also helps us stay organized when reading, like a Bookmark, bookmarks let us mark important pages. For example, is I bookmark pages that contain important definitions so I can return quickly. And two is notes for study. We can write notes directly in the app. For example, when reading a story, I write notes about character in the notes section. A tree is easy navigation or a table of contacts. Yeah, table of contacts. The table of contacts help us jump to any chapter. For example, as while I need a chapter 3, I just tap it from the table of contents without scrolling. Yeah, it's make us easy to search. Okay, the next, ReadEra in the classroom. Okay, read can be a 2 point, and the first is literature study, and second is a research and assignment. Okay, and the first from the first is literature study. The point, there is a 3 point. The first point is a read short story and poems. We can read literary text directly from digital files. For example, is in class we read the short story, the gift of the Mag Magis using ReadEra. And the second is analyze dumps and characters. Highlighting and notes make it easier to analyze. Example is I analyze the theme of sacrifice and personal personalize of the characters. Yeah, like that. And the last point is discuss discuss interpretations. Discuss interpretations. After reading, we can discuss meanings or moral lessons. For example, we discuss whether the ending of the story was tragic or romantic, maybe. Yeah. And the second point from digital from in the classroom, research and assignment. There is a 3 point. Is the first is collect information from digital search. Reading ReadEra can open many types of documents for research. For example, I collect PDF articles about digital literacy for my group project. And the second point is take notes for research project. Notes helps us save important ideas. For example, I wrote key points from each article or from a document directly in the ReadEra notes. And the last point is prepare for class discussions. By reading early, we are more ready to participate. For example, because before beforehand, I could answer I could answer the teacher's questions conf- uh, confidently. Yeah, confidently. Okay, enough. And the next is benefit of using readers. Benefit of using, what is that? ReadEra. The first is accessible. We can read anytime and anywhere using our phone. Just using our phone. For example, I can read my class materials while waiting for the bus. And the second is a personalize personalize. We can adjust the reading style to our preference. Yeah, example, my friend likes big fonts, but I prefer smaller once and both are possible. And the third is efficiency. All files open in one app, making study faster. For example, I don't need many app. ReadEra can open all document for my assignment. And the last is cost effective. The app is a com, com, com the app is a completely free. Example, I can read many books without paying for any reading app. Okay, and last is conclusion. The conclusion of the era is a simple, practical, and useful application for everyone who loves to read. It helps improve our reading skills and lets us read in the style we like. By using this app, we can support the reading culture and become a more literate generation. Okay, thank you. Okay, I think enough. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.